Hi, Jeremy. How are you doing this week?
I'm doing okay.
You're doing well?
Yeah.
I remember last week we were talking about you possibly going to that mixer at CSUN. How did that go? Did you end up going?
Yeah, I did end up going.
How was it?
It was okay. I mean, I think I felt a little nervous and a little awkward and was trying to talk to people, but it just felt kind of uncomfortable, and I'm not really sure how it went.
You felt a little uncomfortable?
Yeah, I did. Just kind of nervous, and I don't really think people liked me.
What makes you think that the people you were talking to didn't like you? Did they give you any reason to believe that they didn't like you?
Well, some of them started walking away when I started talking, or then there was like an awkward silence, and I don't know, it was just hard to like keep the conversation going, and I just felt kind of uncomfortable and weird, and I feel like they did too.
I can imagine that being really uncomfortable and not feeling like you weren't sure what to do, or with the awkward silences and how to kind of feel that, and like how to. I could really appreciate how that would feel awkward. Did you feel like every interaction that you had was awkward?
No, I mean, there was one guy that I talked to who like ended up giving me his business card, and I think that went a little better, but I'm still not really sure. I don't know.
That's great. So there was an interaction where you felt like it was a good interaction with another person?
Yeah, I mean, I think we had more to talk about. I guess more of like a common interest than maybe I had with the other people.
Did you notice any difference in yourself between the first interaction with people that you felt like weren't really as open or willing to have a conversation versus the second interaction?
I think maybe I felt a little calmer, I guess.
You felt calmer? So you felt a little anxious in the first one?
Yeah, definitely more anxious, I guess, and just kind of uncomfortable. I mean, it was still all pretty uncomfortable, but I guess, if I had to say, it would be a little better in the second time.
So when you say you're feeling anxious, how do you know that you're feeling anxious? Is there any like indications in your body, or do you feel anything physically when you're anxious when you're talking to somebody?
Yeah, I guess my stomach feels kind of like there's a ball in it, and it's just like a knot and just kind of nervous and uncomfortable.
Yeah, I can imagine. Do you notice like your breath getting more shallow, or it's getting harder to breathe a little bit, or do you feel like warmer?
Yeah, I think I kind of get a little sweaty and clammy and just awkward.
Yeah. And I know we were working on some breathing exercises a couple of weeks ago. Did you try maybe doing some deep breathing before or during these interactions?
No. No, I didn't.
Yeah. No. You didn't feel like it?
Yeah, I guess I just didn't really know how to do it, or if it would like help. I guess I just kind of forgot also in that moment.
Yeah. I could see how that would happen. You feel a little overwhelmed and you're not really thinking about what's the best way to kind of move forward. When you feel overwhelmed, you kind of can freeze up and not know how to react. I can see that. I can totally see that. I feel like most people feel that way when they feel a little overwhelmed.
Yeah, I think so.
So I want to try another exercise that maybe can help you understand when you feel anxious, like the triggers in your body. Because usually when a person is having symptoms of anxiety or they're feeling anxious, your body kind of tells you. So I want to try something called a body scan. And what it does is you raise awareness within your body with the process of breathing, and it's supposed to help you kind of scan your body and know what's going on, and maybe that can help you manage your anxiety a little bit. What do you think about that?
Sure, yeah.
Okay,
that could be helpful.
Let's try that out. Okay, first I want you to sit back in your chair comfortably with your feet flat on the floor.
Okay.
I want you to allow your eyes to close gently.
Okay, I feel a little awkward. But...
And if you feel uncomfortable at anything, you can stop this. Just So take a few moments to get in touch with the movement of your breath, the sensations in your body, and when you're ready, to bring your body to awareness to all the physical sensations within your body, especially to the sensations or the pressure where your body makes contact with the chair, or where your feet makes contact with the floor. With each out-breath, allow yourself to sink deeper into your chair. Remind yourself the intention of this practice, right? The aim is not to feel different, relaxed, or calm. This may or may not happen. The intention of this practice is so that you can bring awareness to the sensations you detect as you focus your attention on each part of your body. Now bring attention to the physical sensations in your lower abdomen. Becoming aware of the changing patterns of sensations in the abdominal wall as you breathe in and as you breathe out. Take a few moments to feel the sensations as you breathe in and as you breathe out. Having connected with the sensation in the abdomen, bring your focus and your awareness to your down to your left leg, down to your left foot, and out the toes of the left foot. Focus on each of the toes of the left foot in turn, bringing a gentle curiosity to investigate the quality of the sensations you find. Perhaps noticing the sensation of the contact between the toes, possibly a sense of tingling or warmth, or no particular sensation. When you are ready, on an in-breath, feel or imagine the breath entering the lungs, and then passing down to the abdomen, into the left leg, the left foot, and out of the left toe. On the out breath, feel or imagine the breath coming all the way back up, out of the toes, out of the foot, up the leg, through the abdomen and chest, and out through the nose. As best as you can, continue this breath, breathing down to the toes and back out from the toes. Gently, when you're ready, on the out breath, bring awareness to the toes and bring awareness to the sensation on the bottom of your left foot. Bring a gentle, curious awareness to the soles of the foot, the instep of the heel. Experiment with breathing with the sensation, being aware of the breath in the background. And being aware of the breath in the foreground as you explore the sensations in your lower foot. Now, I want you to gently allow the awareness to expand to the rest of the foot, to the ankle, the top of the foot, and right to the bones and joints. Then taking a slightly deeper breath, direct it down into the whole of the left foot. And as the breath lets go, on the out breath, let go of the left foot, completely allowing the focus of awareness to move into the lower left leg. Then your calf, your shin, knee, and so on in turn. Back to your chest. Continue to bring awareness and a gentle curiosity to the physical sensations in each part of the rest of your body in turn. To the upper left leg, the right toes, the right foot, the right leg, your hips, your back, your abdomen, your chest, your fingers, your hands and arms, your shoulders, your neck, head, and base. In each area, bring the same detail, level of awareness and gentle curiosity to the body and the sensations present. As you leave each area, breathe in on the in-breath and let go of that region on the out-breath. When you become aware of tension or of any other intense sensation in a particular part of the body, you can breathe in, using the in-breath gently to bring awareness right to the sensation as best as you can, and have a sense of their letting go or releasing with the out-breath. Bring awareness to your sense of the body as a whole and of the breathing flowing freely in and out of the body. Gently open your eyes. How did that feel?
Well, your voice was a little annoying at first, but I think I kind of got past that.
Yeah. Was it a little difficult to concentrate, or how did you feel about the meditation?
I think at some points I started to think about the event, and that made me more nervous, and I could feel my body working up. But then I kind of listened to what you were saying again, and it calmed me down.
That's great. So you were able to kind of regulate your anxiety as it came up, because your mind will wander when you do these meditations, but that's kind of, it's normal. And to be able to bring yourself back, that's kind of the goal of these meditations, to help you learn how to, when you feel like you're getting heightened or more anxious, to kind of bring you back down. So it's great that it was helpful in that.
Yeah.